Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can actually use the Antares Mic Mode, and make sure you watch the video to the very end, because right after this I'm going to show you how you can get a free version of this Antares Mic Mode. Alright, so we're going to use this particular audio. So I'm going to click audio track, and as you can see, this is a phrase that we're going to use. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to change the tempo to 120 BPM. All right, very simple. Next, we're gonna switch this to song, and guys, I want you to take a listen to this particular phrase. Take all I am and make me whole. That's super simple. So next thing I'm gonna do is to click on the channel rack. As you can see, it has been routed onto the channel rack. It's 5 over here. Next thing we're gonna do is to load the mic mode. All right, so Antares Mic Mode. Let's go for mic mode. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. There's a quick guide on how to use the mic mode. So I'm gonna double click on this one, and this is the Antares Mic Mode. So this is a mic modulator. If you are thinking of buying expensive microphone, think of the Samsung think of the Sony C800G or the Newman's microphone. You can actually go for this mic mode from Antares. It's going to change your cheap microphone, I mean the vocal that you recorded with a cheap microphone, to sound like any of the expensive microphones. I've done a lot of videos taking you through how to use this particular mic mode from Antares. Antares have not sponsored this video, but this is one of the plugins that if you want to take your music production to the next level, you need to go for before we enter 2026. all right, big shout out to you all. Merry Christmas to everyone watching this video. All right, so this is the mic mode. Watch the video to the very end. I'm gonna walk you through how to use it. Right after this, I'll also show you how you can get a free version of this one. Try it for some days, and if you are cool with that, you can actually go for the full version from Antares. All right, there's no shortcuts over here. I'm not gonna give you any free, nothing is free over here. You need to save some money and go for the right plugin. All right, so I'll give you the right link to get this one from Antares. So first thing first, then when you go here, when I open the mic mode, this is the mic mode. As you can see, it comes with source mic. This is where you're gonna choose your cheap microphone. All right, so if you have your cheap microphone listed over here, just choose that. All right, you can also bypass it if your cheap microphone is not in any of these microphones over here. You can bypass it. Next thing is to model your mic to sound like any of the expensive microphone. All right, so let's detach this one. I'm gonna detach it. All right, let's detach this one. Go over here, detach. As you can see, then when I click here, we can change our vocal to sound like the Sony C800G. So now let's take a good listen to this particular Sony C800G on our vocals. Take all I am and make me whole. Alright, so we're going to try some of the Rode microphone. Let's try the Rode NTV. Now listen to that. Take all I am and make me whole. All right, let's check some of the Newman's microphones over here. Let's check the Newman M149. Listen. Take all I am and make me whole. I want you to use good headsets so that you can actually hear the effect coming from this particular mic mode. Let's try some of the AKG microphones over here, the AKG C12A. Listen to this. Take all I am and make me whole. Alright, so guys, this is super simple to use. If you wanna take your music production to the next level, I'll recommend the mic mode for you. Alright, so this is how you can actually use the mic mode. When you choose your source mic and you select your modeled mic, you can also play with the proximity over here. So the proximity is how close or far you were to your microphone. whilst recording the vocals. It's super simple.
Take all I am and make me whole.
You can hear that now we sound like we are close to the microphone.
Take all I am and make me whole.
And now you can also add saturation.
Take all I am and make me whole.
That's super simple, guys. Now how can you actually get the mic mode? What you need to do is to open your browser. Let's go and open our browser. I'm gonna use Chrome, so let's open our browser. When you open your browser, just search auto-tune. Okay, so just search auto-tune 2026 download. All right, so when you click on the link, it's gonna take you to this page, introduction to mic mode. All right, so you can actually come here and read everything by yourself. If you are cool with that, you can actually go for it or try it. All right, so you can actually click on try, and over here you're gonna try it for 14 days. What you need to do is to provide your Gmail for them or the email, and after providing what is required from you, they're gonna send you link to get the mic mode free version. As you can see, it's called €0 over here. All right, so you can actually try it for the very first time, and if you are cool with that, you can go for the full version. I mean, put some money down and go and make a full purchase. It's super simple. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now, how can you also get free version of auto-tune? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.